This video is all about finding the value of cos 15 without using calculator or any table. Now we have cos 15. Cos 15 is the same thing as saying cos 60 minus 45, because cos 60 minus 45 is equal to 15. So we can now see, now using the trigonometric rules, where you have cos a minus b to be equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So applying this rule here, we now have cos 60 cos 45 minus sin 60 sin 45. Now, you know, equilateral triangle, all the angles are equal. Now, if you bisect it, here, let's say this is unit. This from here to S2, from here to S2. If you bisect it, here will now become 1. Here will be 1. Then let's assume here is C, here is A, here is B. Now we're looking for B. C is equal to what? 2. A is equal to 1. If you bisect this, here is 30, here is 30. Now, using Pythagoras theory, you have C squared equal to A squared plus B squared. And we're looking for B, so B square will now be equal to, if you move this to this other side, you have C square minus A square. So you have C is 2, 2 square minus 1 square. So you have 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. So that means B square is equal to 3. So taking the square root of both sides, you have B to be equal to plus or minus 3. So what we're using plus 3, which is 3. Now here is square root of what? 3. Now from here, let's look for cos. The cos 60. Cos 60 is what we call the adjacent. Now let's look at what we call SOHCAHTOA. Let's use SOHCAHTOA. Now the cos 60 is adjacent all over hypothesis, so this is half. Then let's also draw triangle. This is like an isosceles triangle, where here is 60, there is right angle triangle, then here is 45. So if there is 45, here is 1, here is 1. Now here is root 2. So cos 45 of cos 45, now this is cos 45 is adjacent all over hypothesis. So 1 is adjacent to this angle, so you have 1 all over the hypothesis, which is root 2, minus sine 60. Come here, sine 60 is opposite all over hypothesis, so this is opposite. The opposite is root 3 all over what? 2. Now times, you have sine 45. So sine 45 is the same thing as cos 45. So you have 1 all over square root of 2. So this is the same thing as saying 1 all over 2 times 1 all over 2. You have 1 all over 2 root 2 minus this Okay, if you have minus here, sorry, here should be plus. So here will be plus, here will be plus. So that is it. So it was a mistake. Here should be plus. So now here is plus. So we have root 3 times root 1, you have root 3 divided by 2 times root 2. You have 2 root 2. So since the denominators are the same, we'll add denominators. So we have 1 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. So we can as well multiply the numerator and the denominator with root 2. So this times root 2 times 1 will give you root 2. Then root 2 times root 3 will give you plus root 3 divided by root 2 times 2 root 2 will give you 4. So sorry, this time this is 6, sorry, 6. Root 3 times root 2, root 3 times root 2 is equal to root 3 times 2, which is equal to root 6. According to sort rule, where you have the square root of n times the square root of n is equal to the square root of n. So this is now this is the same thing as 1 all over 4 into square root of 2 plus square root of 6. Or you can just leave it like this, 1 plus the square root of 3 divided by 2 square root of 2. So any of this is the answer. Thank you for watching to the end. Have a nice day. So